Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install plugins in Krita. First, download the plugin file. Most Krita plugins come as a .zip file or a folder that contains a .desktop file in a Python script folder. Now open Krita, go to Tools, then click Scripts, then Import Python plugin. Select the plugins.zip file and confirm. Krita will automatically place it in the correct resources folder. Once imported, restart Krita so the plugin fully loads. This is the official built-in installer method recommended in Krita's documentation. If the plugin is already extracted and doesn't install through the menu, you can manually install it. Go to Settings, Manage Resources, open Resource folder, then open the PyKrita folder. Extract the plugin folder and its matching .desktop file inside that directory. Restart Krita afterwards so it appears in the scripts menu. This manual method is also documented in Krita's plugin development guide. After restarting, enable the plugin by going to Settings, Configure Krita, then Python Plugin Manager. Make sure the plugin is checked. If it's unchecked, enable it and restart again. And that's how you install plugins in Krita. Thanks for watching.